guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you guys might have already seen, we are going to do some nice really cool paintings like that. So let's not talk much, let's begin. Also, if you guys have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, before you begin with the project, what I did not include is that I've already painted my canvas with white paint, and then I took the stencil and I drew out the outline. Where I got the stencil is by printing out an online image and cutting it out in the shape I wanted, and I just placed it on the canvas, drew out the outline and I started painting it. Now I drew the outline first reason so that the paint doesn't fall outside the logo. That way it becomes a little more simpler and easier to paint inside the line. Guys, after that what I did is I took a small piece of sponge and started dabbing it with the white paint on it, and I did it at least 4 to 5 times so that I can get the desired white gray effect on it. And I also spilled it out on the white part so that it looks a little mixed up kind of. And yeah, that's all you need to do to get the cloud effect. After that was done, what I did is I took the same brush and I dipped it into the water, lots and lots of water, and I put it on the edges of the logo, and I just slide it over the canvas so that gives a drop effect, and that's it. That helped me get the drop effect. Once that was done, what I did is I taped on my edges and I started painting the gold border. I made sure that I taped the edges so that I don't have to be very careful of the line, and I can just paint it over and over, and the tape will help me protect me spilling inside the line. Now this is a very optional thing. Since it matched my interior, I had to go with the gold. If you want, you can avoid the gold and keep the painting simple and white. what I did is I took the paper tape and I started marking it alongside so that I know how many lines I would get, and I started taping alternate lines so that I can paint in between those lines. So the lines that I don't want to paint, I have put the tape, and the lines that I want to paint is left open. Now a simpler way to do this would be you either paint the whole of your canvas white and then you add the tapes, and wherever you haven't added the tape you add your black color and you'll get the stripes effect. But I did not strike it with that idea so much, so I had already taped up the canvas and I started painting it black first, and then I redid the taping. That is, I put the tape on the black color once it was dried off, and the remaining area I painted white. So that's how I got my black and white stripes. Once you're done with that, make sure you let it dry. It will take a couple of time to dry since this is a very thick coat that we have applied on it. Once it is dried, you have to take your stencil of the lip cutout. Once again, I have downloaded this from internet, and I think very easy source of finding this would be Pinterest. And I cut it out carefully with the invert of the lip shape. Place it on your canvas as in how you desire. I wanted it a bit tilt shape, so I kept it a little slantingly tilt shape. And then I took the sponge again and I started dabbing in the paint. Now remember, this metallic paints are very much little bit on the translucent side, so you need really heavy coats for this. It's good if you can try to get 3 layers of this, but what happens is the paper starts sticking to the canvas. So to avoid that, make sure you let it give some time to dry and then reapply your second layer and then your third layer. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys would want to do something like that for your interior room as well. And I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Bye.